Michigan. Who's going on?
Tornado watch number 372, effective until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following: Lake Michigan from School Choice Point to Long Island Passage 5 nautical miles offshore to Lake. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Long Island Passage to Chicagoland, Michigan North. Dense fog advisory in effect until 7 a.m. Thursday. Tonight, south winds 15 to 25 knots becoming southwest. Patchy dense fog. Showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Then chance of showers and thunderstorms overnight.
Excuse me?
With damaging winds and large hail. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a flash.
southeastern Wisconsin, northern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 11:45 p.m. At 8:46 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms are expected to begin shortly. Hazard: planned flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The rainfall rate is expected to flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and other places, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Menominee Falls, West Bend, Watertown, Mequon, Whitewater, Hartford, Stoughton, Fort Hutchinson, Sussex, Hartland, Jefferson, Delafield, West Mill, Greenville, Sofield, Key Wascom, and Horicon. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most whitewater, Hartford, Stoughton. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Lake Mills, Desert, Meadow, Slinger, Sofield, Key Wascom, and Horicon. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Bogo, Stevenson, and Lee counties in Illinois, as well as Tornado watch number 371 remains in effect until 10 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Kenosha and Waworth. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. At 7 p.m. at Chicago O'Hare, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 94 degrees. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from